Hey, my name is Thomas. I run the delivery side of things here at ES Studios, and I've been doing SEO for home service businesses for around about 5-6 years now. So roofers, landscapers, any backyard remodeling, electricians, tree surgeons, everything like that. And there's really only two things you need to know. And in this video, I'm going to go over those two things. And I'm also going to cover how to work out if you and I are a good match and what happens if we actually end up working together. So number one, when someone needs a roofer, a plumber, or whatever it is that you do, they go to Google like this. They type in their problem or service. If you are not here in the top 3 in the map pack on Google, you will literally just lose these people. So they go to a competitor and it's over. So you have to show up at the right moment, at the right time, right there. You literally have to be there every single time, else you're just going to go off the radar and be missed. Now, times have changed, and times, especially with AI, are evolving really, really quickly. So we'll go on to number 2. And what this is it's not enough to just show up when they're searching anymore, because the vast majority of people, the vast majority, are not going to call you the first time that they see you. They're going to go away, they're going to have a think about it, they're going to look at a few people, maybe go over some prices, get some estimates, and then maybe come back after they've checked your reviews, after they've got distracted. So you have to keep on showing up. And the moment that they made it clear that they need your service, to the point where they're actually ready to buy from you. And when they do find you, and when they land on your profile or your website, the first thing they're going to do is look at your reviews. If you're, let's go back here. If you're in this map pack here and you've got 12 reviews and the guy down the road has got 1.3 thousand, it's going to be over before they ever pick up the phone. So reviews matter a lot. We get you showing up right when people are searching is we get you into the top 3 on Google Maps. So these are these green pins here. That is what we do for our clients day in, day out. Within 90 days, typically you're ranking in the top 3 in searches. Imagine that. 90 days time, you're going from looking like this, 20s all over the place, to you're in the top 3. And what every one of these pins mean is it's just a phone call. If your pins aren't green, you will not get calls and they will just go to someone else. And in 90 days, no matter your search area, calls are up, website visitors are up, your leads are up, everything is good. But that is just us getting started, right? So like I said, it's not enough to just show up once. We have to stay in front of them. So we have to be on your Google business profile, your Instagram, your Facebook, your YouTube. We keep you showing up everywhere so that anytime that they are online, they see you again. It's another little reminder like, hey, you wanted to get that sorted, right? Well, here we are. Let's go. Now, on the review side, most businesses have worked with like thousands of people over the years. You've got this huge list on papers, maybe you've got a CRM, something like that. And a lot of those would be really happy to leave that review, but they never get asked properly. So what we do is we actually start working with you when we send a reactivation campaign. We send that out to your past clients. It's a simple text sequence. We don't annoy anyone. It's very casual. And within the first few weeks of working with us, you've got 25, 50, 100 extra reviews. Then that will just keep on going on autopilot. So whenever you finish a job with someone, we send that review request and it's all automated. And if someone does leave bad feedback, we actually catch it with something we call a review shield. So the feedback goes to you in email instead of just going straight on Google Maps. Now, this isn't just on us. We would actually work with you to get your team trained, followed in the SOPs, using your QR codes, using your A-frames, whatever you need for you and your team to remind yourselves like, okay, I need to ask customers for review because that is so, so important. Now, as well as the reviews coming in, we'd also get you listed on 60 plus directories around you. So everywhere that Google is looking, you are going to be there. That covers voice search, all the new AI searches, your Perplexities, GPT like that, which people are starting to use more and more. And then on top of this, what we would give you is we'd give you a proper SEO built website. So this is going to be 30 plus pages, going to look something very similar like this. It is written for searches that your current customers are actually making online. It is high converting, ready to just get people in. So it doesn't matter whether you've got a website, whether you haven't got a website. We would chat together and work out, okay, is your website decent enough to actually help people out? Now, people don't use websites anymore. People use your Google business profile. You know, if you go on a business profile, you've actually got everything you need on here to actually get the job done, right? So they can see your photos, they can see your reviews, they can see your opening times. No one goes to websites anymore. No one clicks to websites. So the websites we make are built for Google, built for AI search, and help Google just rank you higher and get people contacting you. Now, the next thing we would do is we would put a smart estimator on your site. If you didn't know already, Google is now allowing businesses to filter by businesses that have estimators. So if you don't have an estimator on your website, people are just going to filter you out and they're going to go with people who have an estimator. So we would build one out for you like this so you can get an instant quote. So this is just connected to all of your services, whatever you have. People can talk to it. They can just say, hey, I need a plumber. I've got a drain blocked. Can you please give me a quote? And it will just help you out and get a quote from them. So as soon as they fill out their name, information, click send, that'll arrive in your inbox, arrive in a lead list, and it is incredibly high converting. Let's say 1 in 100 people going to a normal website will get in touch. With this, we're getting 6 to 10 people out of that 100 actually getting in touch with you. So we would build you out one of these If you don't have a website, we'll just give you a link and you can just text this out to people. It's absolutely fine. Now, when all of this is running, and yes, this does take a couple months to get traction, and that is okay because you're going to be in business anyway, something sort of shifts. You literally become the obvious go-to in your market. You can come on this site, you can scroll down a bit, you can have a look at all the results for our clients, but you just start dominating the area. You show up every time people are looking for your service. And a lot of the guys that we're working with, they don't use Meta ads anymore. They don't use Google ads because all of their traffic, all of their leads are just coming in from Google Maps now. And the reason that happens is because you've got the reviews, you've got the ranking, you've got the photos, you've got the website, you've got the estimate, you've got absolutely everything, and you're everywhere all the time. And at that point, you're safe. You're cushy. It's an obvious choice for people to go with you. People want to go to the company that is showing up everywhere, and that is going to be you literally in a few months' time. Now, this is what we do for our clients, and I've kind of given you a rundown here. If you want to look into this in more detail, just scroll down below this video. I'm not gatekeeping anything. We give you all of this. We do the review reactivation campaign. We do your ongoing automations for reviews. We get you ranking on your Google business profile. That means optimization, posting everywhere on your socials, making videos for you. We get you on citations. So we get you listed literally everywhere. Voice search, Apple Maps, Bing, all of the citation directories. You will be absolutely everywhere all of the time. We give you that smart estimator. So whenever someone comes to your site, they get a beautiful instant estimate. They can see what other people have quoted, and that is going to help you get so many more jobs. And then finally, we'll build you out that SEO optimized website, fully designed for you, custom made for you with all of your reviews, all of your widgets on here, your gallery, everything tailored for your business. But let me tell you what is required here, because there are a few requirements. Number one is we work with people who are doing well and want to do even better. If you're literally at zero, just starting out, we're probably not a good match yet. If you're doing well and you do want to scale up, you want to take the next step, grow further, then we're probably a good match. Number two is this takes time to get going. If you're looking for a golden bullet that's going to get you clients next Sunday, we're not going to be a good match. This is a long-term thing, but it is a long-term thing that's going to keep you in business and keep you ranking at the top for years and years to come. The guys that we work with, on average, they're making an additional 60 to 100 grand a year in business just from their Google business profile. That's not paid ads. That's not Angie's. It's not Yelp or anything like that. It's just from the work we're doing on organic SEO. The next step would be, if you're interested in this, getting this going for your business, is to book a call. Scroll down below this page or click the button above this video just to book in a call with us. You'll have a chat with one of the team. This is really quick to get going. We can have this live for you. The estimator, citations, ranking, brand new website literally within 7 days. So by this time next week, you could have everything you need to scale online. And like I said, if you are not there yet, you're not ready for review reactivation, ongoing review automations, you're not ready for Google business profile ranking, you're not ready for citation management, social media management, a live AI estimator that's going to get you ahead of 99% of other businesses, and you're not ready for a brand new SEO website, that is absolutely fine. Just wait until you are, come back and book the call. There's a link somewhere above this video. You'll see our calendar down here. Just come in here, pick a time that suits you best, and just book a call with us. So feel free to use that or the link above and just pick a time that works. So that is it for now. I'm looking forward to getting in touch with you. Again, this is all we do. Scroll down the page to see what we do. You can see all the reviews from our clients. We do good, honest work, and we're just looking for long-term partners. So that's it for now. Have an amazing rest of your day, and we'll speak soon.